So I want to show you how to move a file from one folder path to another, and not just remove it, but also um, rename it with a timestamp. So let me move this out of the way. There we go. Okay. So the idea is to get this avocado data from folder A down to folder B, but rename it as avocado prices, and then with a timestamp. So for this one, we're gonna go ahead and import the packages. I really like that VS Code does autofill. It really helps. Now that we've got these necessary packages downloaded, I'll go ahead and relocate the file. Just kidding, need to import one more thing. Now let it, oops, what? Source, stop. Destination. So for Mac, you can right click on the file, click Get Info, and then where it says where, just go ahead and copy that path down. In front of that, we're gonna have to type R and then parentheses, or not parentheses, quotation. R is for reading. Now we need to add the document name. So far, we've only copied the folder path, not the file path. Here's the name. There we go. Now we'll tell it to move or mow. Source to dest. There we go. Yep. And then for the timestamp, we'll define what today is. Today is date time. Dot date time. No, STRF time. There we go. And the format will be year. Dash month dash day. There we go. So it's going to look like year, spelling of the month, day. And then from here, we will say OS rename. So by now, by now the file will have already moved over. So I'm going to copy this path along with original name because it has not been renamed yet. Yes. Comma R, the same path with a new name. Okay, the reason I have this file path with a file name and this file path is because I'm letting it know, okay, please look at this file in this folder named with the original name as avocado data. Now I want this file in this destination folder to be named something else. So after folder B, I'm going to add the new name, which I want it to call avocado, AVACADO, yeah, prices underscore, and then I'm going to tag it with a string for today, capitalized, and then finally tag it with a file type .csv. Okay, I think that's good. So pay attention to here and see if it moves and renames. Okay, so it was avocado data here .csv. Now it's avocado prices underscore year, month, and then day. So there you go. That is how you can relocate and rename your file. So yeah, hope this makes your life more efficient.